If you're seeing a Google Drive error when creating a folder, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to organizing your files without wasting time. This is a really common issue, and it can usually be solved in just a few minutes. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. All right, let's get straight into it. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh Google Drive. Sometimes the error is just a temporary glitch in the browser or in your current session. On Windows, press Ctrl and R to reload the page, then try creating the folder again. On a Mac, you can use the browser refresh button or the equivalent refresh shortcut. In many cases, the problem disappears right away after a refresh, so this is always the first thing worth testing. If refreshing doesn't work, the next thing to check is the folder name itself. Google Drive can reject folder creation if the name includes unsupported characters. So keep it simple and avoid special symbols like angle brackets, colons, quotation marks, slashes, backslashes, vertical bars, question marks, and asterisks. A clean folder name with only normal letters, numbers, spaces, or dashes is usually the safest option. Try again with a simple name and see if Drive lets you create the folder. If you're working inside a shared folder or a team folder, permissions may be the real issue. You need editor access to create new folders. If you only have viewer access, Google Drive will block folder creation even if everything else looks fine. Check the sharing settings or ask the owner to confirm that you have editing permissions. This step is especially important if the folder issue only happens in one shared location, but not in your own drive. Now let's move on to browser-related fixes. A very common cause of Google Drive errors is a corrupted cache or problematic cookies. If the browser has old data stored, it can interfere with Drive actions like creating folders. In Google Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. After that, restart your browser completely and try again. This can solve a lot of strange upload and folder creation problems. If the issue still continues, try opening Google Drive in Incognito Mode. On Windows or Chrome OS, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a private window. On a Mac, use the browser's private browsing option. Then open Google Drive again and test folder creation there. Incognito Mode is useful because it disables many extensions and avoids using your normal cached session, so it can help you identify whether the problem is caused by a browser extension or a login conflict. Another easy fix is signing out and signing back in to your Google account. Sometimes Drive needs a fresh session to properly load permissions. Sign out completely, close the browser, then sign back in and reopen Drive. Once you're back in, try creating the folder again. This refreshes the account session and can resolve hidden authorization issues. If none of that works, try a different browser or even a different network. For example, if you're using Chrome, test Google Drive and Microsoft Edge, or try the reverse. You can also switch from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot or another connection. Sometimes network filters, browser-specific issues, or security tools can interfere with Drive actions, and changing the environment helps isolate the problem quickly. By now, one of these steps should fix the Google Drive folder creation error. The main things to remember are refresh first, use a simple folder name, check permissions, clear cache and cookies, test Incognito Mode, sign out and back in, and finally try another browser or network if needed. These are the most reliable fixes for this issue. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and quick troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also help you with a more advanced version of this video script, like a shorter tutorial, a voiceover-friendly version, or a version optimized for beginners. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing Google Drive.